Ashanti TV. Yes, so Mosompa.
We never give up. Yeah, that's the one I do. Okay. So we welcome in Nana Feyiase. Once he sits, we can continue with the music. So, ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of the occasion, Nana Feyiase, ladies and gentlemen, please let's all be upstanding. Mr. Moyo Sonia and Asliema, Nana Feyiase, Akwaba. One is your two for them. Nana Feyiase. When I transfer enough to you, I didn't say, so no, I'm Put your hands together for them, ladies and gentlemen. It's all being welfare band, and that's the way we start the edition of the awards night. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the associated with you, T-Mo. SG-Mo, thanks so much for your support. Thanks so much for your support, Golden Bean. Thanks so much for your support. So, anthem from the 4BN Welfare Band, led by Warrant Officer Mouse.
protocols have already been established, and so if you will permit me, I will actually stand on the same observed protocols without us knowing who actually is here at this point. I will take it upon myself to lead. So with all trees around, also waiting for who is yet to come. I extend a warm welcome to all gathered here today to actually this exclusive program, the 2024 Ashanti Regional Tourism Award Ceremony. I will also take this advantage and also take the opportunity to thank everyone for making the time to attend such a significant event. You very much appreciated in all you do for culture in Ashanti in general. To Ike's Cafe, I'm really impressed at what you do and what you've done to actually host us tonight. You've been very gracious. To my delight, we're here tonight to honor industry players who have exhibited excellence in standards, facilities, and service delivery, as well as to show appreciation to selected tourism-oriented individuals and organizations for their immense and diverse contributions to national development in tourism and others. For a time-honored culture and tradition, Ashanti has always been an attractive area, even since the 1600s, for tourism and business. This year's theme is celebrating innovation and recognizing excellence in Ghana's tourism sector. It is with this knowledge and with this background that I accept the chairman for this occasion tonight. More will follow as we go through the night. Ladies and gentlemen, I also believe that you will enjoy tonight because this is actually going to be special. I just realized my mother is here tonight. I didn't realize she was going to be here, but she is. And so I will actually take the time to introduce her when the time comes. Please take the time and enjoy us. I hope tonight is worth your time being here. Thank you very much. Up to you back again.
Nana Feyiase, ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Nana Ade, January 1st. Yes, special guest of honor for tonight's award ceremony, Ashanti Region Edition. So once you have a chairman,